Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sarah van Grenen, aka Mr. VG, and I am excited to be here with you today. Specifically today, we are going to look at the present value formula. Now, this formula was introduced to you in matric, okay? So please don't just throw it at anything, at any example and go, oh, I'm hoping and praying. If you haven't watched the previous video about decision trees and how important it is when to use which formula, please hit the pause button and first go back to the previous video. Today we're going to dive into present values by looking at home loans or mortgage bonds. Now this is very applicable because you would maybe want to one day loan a few million, when you're making all of the money, you're going to loan some money to buy a house. So I'm going to show you some dirty little tricks about how to actually cheat the banks out of some money and do it in a legal way. Oh, we've got to do it in a legal way. Remember that. So for us to get into the formula, we must always remember a few things. First of all, about basic annuities. Now, basic annuities, the interest rate does not change, as well as the payments remain constant. This means the moment that there's a change in your interest rate, or, you stop paying for a little bit, AP Maths, Mathematics, and Modeling, guys, then you actually must end the loan. You end it, you start a whole new loan. But I'm not going to talk about that at all. Those of you that's doing AP Maths, and Modeling, good luck. But specifically about the present value formula, there's a few things you need to remember. One thing specifically. The present value annuity is always 1 month before you start paying. So the value for P, 1 month before. Be careful. Deferred annuities, they sometimes tell you, we give you a 6-month break. You can chill for 6 months and then you start paying. Actually, it's just the banks wanting to make more money. But I'm going to refer to that in one of the videos that's coming up. So I'm not going to talk about that today at all. So let's quickly go into that beautiful formula. That P is equal to X bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative N over I. First of all, the P value, the value of your home loan. In other words, 1 month before you start paying, or 1 quarter before you start paying if you're paying quarterly, how much will your loan be worth? So what house can you buy with your monthly payments? Let's go over to X. X is the value of your periodic payments. Ooh, 4 5 marks exam questions. Oh, we love these. I can almost guarantee you there's going to be one. Then I is your interest rate per period. Just a little side note for the AP Maths guys. Be very, very, very careful because sometimes the examiner is going to tell you the interest rate is per quarter, but your payments are per month. Oh my goodness, then I've got to first get the interest rate into an interest rate per month before I go to the formula. Be very, very careful. The same with N. N is always the number of payments you are going to make into your home loan. As a bank, I can almost tell you, be very careful of banks coming to you and say, no, pay over 25 or 30 years. They want that because they want your money. Thank you. And good luck. Because this formula is going to actually transform your life if you understand it and you learn how to cheat that system. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sarah van Grenen, and I say thank you for listening to me. Thank you for giving me your attention for these 5 or 6 minutes. Please stick with us. Go and look on the juniortikkie.online platform and find more resources available for you. This is Mr. VG signing out. Have a wonderful, fantastic rest of your day. Keep warm, keep safe, and please make sure that you stay away from situations like COVID and stuff, that you can write your matric exam knowing that you didn't miss anything, or that they ask you to come back in 6 months to write an exam. You don't want that. Have a wonderful day. Keep well. Cheers.